Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem. See, a reduction of 20% in the price of rice. A person enables to obtain 3.5 kg more for rupees 77. What is the original price of the rice per kg? See friends, today there is a reduction of 20% in the price. What is 20% of 77? 20% of 77. See, 154 by 10. 154 by 10, that is equal to 15.4 rupees. 15.4 rupees. This is the 20% of 77. So, friends, if he wants the same quantity as before the reduction, he can pay 15 rupees 40 paise less. He can pay 15 rupees 40 paise less. If he pays this 15 rupees 40 paise also, he gets 3.5 kg rice more. So what does it mean? The price of 3.5 kg is equal to 15 rupees 40 paise. 3.5 kg is equal to 15.4. 1 kg of rice is equal to 15.4 by 3.5, that is equal to 154 by 35. This is the reduced price of sugar per kg. This is the reduced price of sugar per kg, but we want the original price. Original price means we have to find 100%. There is a reduction of 20%. So, this price 154 by 35 is 80% of the original price. So, 80% is equal to this much. Then what is 100% to get the original price? So, 80% is equal to 154 by 35. Then what is 100%? What is 100%? 100 by 80 into 154 by 35. 5 sevens, 5 20s, 21s, 24s, 7 1s, 7 22s. 22 by 4, that is 5.5. 5 rupees 50 paise. 5 rupees 50 paise. This is the original price of the rice per kg, friends. Okay, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.